Just 180 millimeter in height, compact and lightweight, special purpose magnetic drilling machine. From presenting the best solution for drilling in confined space with the MAB 150 compact magnetic core drilling machine. Ideally suited for most confined situations like bridges, H-beams, automobile chassis, etc. The MAB 150 weighs just 11 kilograms. Incredibly low design height of just 180 millimeter. Up to 35 millimeter core drilling capacity. Up to 30 millimeter cutting depth capacity. Simply better drilling. Internal lubrication. 1080 watts powerful motor. Lightweight. Equipped with safe switches. Provided with a lubrication pump bottle. Equipped with side changeable feed handle. Equipped with special angular gear. MAB 150 compact magnetic core drilling machine.